Hi, today I'm running POCO X6 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notification sound section. You could use one from these two sounds. Also you could tap to more to use online ringtone, but use online sounds you should be connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. And also you could use your local ringtones, for example downloaded from the internet or recorded it before. And let's just select one from them. Okay, now just we could see that this sound applied successfully. Let's go back, and as you can see we just successfully changed our notification sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.